Welcome to this tutorial. How to fix a divide or divide by zero error. In this example worksheet, we're using simple divide formula to get the cost of each item. But in row number 5, we're trying to divide 0 by 0, whereas in row number 8, there's no value in the quantity column. Then you can see Excel is giving a divide by zero error in rows number 5 and 8. If we will write some value in the cost and quantity columns of row number 5, then it will give you the cost of each item. But we will fix the divide by zero error with a formula. Let's select this first cell of stud in the cost of each item column. Type the following formula, equal if, and from the drop-down suggestion, select the if error. Now, type the value, as we want to divide the cost, B column, with quantity, C column. So the formula will be like this. Equal if error, parentheses B4 / C4, comma, quotation mark, space, quotation mark, parentheses. You can keep the space in between quotation marks, but we are removing the space. Click on the tick sign, and this will give you the value of each item. Now, click and hold the right bottom corner of the formula cell and drag it to the last cell of this table. See? The divide by zero error has been disappeared from row number 5 and row number 8. Let's write a short message, not purchased, in between two quotation marks, as used in our if error formula. Drag this formula code to the last cell of the table. You will notice that now a short message is appearing in 0 divided cells instead of blank space. Hope this was easy to follow. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.